This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. My last week flew past in the blink of an eye. It was a busy week filled with unpacking and getting our home back in order after a beautiful vacation and family meetup in Singapore. We have also uploaded a vlog about our Singapore trip on our channel. If you haven't had the chance to watch it yet, you can find the link in the description box. Returning home after the trip was such a refreshing feeling. I really missed my home and ghar ka khana. I started with removing bed sheets which I used as covers to protect bedding from dust in our absence. There were so many clothes to unpack and wash. I am the type who doesn't wait long to unpack after traveling. I aim to finish unpacking within a day to make home life smoother, tackling these tasks before work begins. As you can see, I had a big pile of dirty clothes that needed washing. In Singapore, laundry was so expensive that it felt like you could buy a new set of clothes for the same price. I always use laundry bags or shoe bags for packing shoes for travel. I place these bags in the shoe rack drawer for easy access. Once the suitcases are empty, I leave them in the sunlight for a while to remove any musty smell and ensure they are properly dry before storing them in the loft. I also give them a wipe from the outside and cover them with the luggage covers to protect them from dust. I use travel cubes to keep my clothes organized. After emptying them, I give them a wipe if needed or wash them before putting them back in a bag with all the cubes and travel pouches. It helps keep everything in one place. Small traveling kits are always stocked up with essentials like shampoo, oil, toothbrushes, earbuds, lotion, etc. for convenience. I use holders to keep brushes separate from other items. In my bathroom drawer, I have a small space dedicated to keeping toiletry bags ready for travel. I also maintain a travel medical kit with some over-the-counter medicines, band-aids, antacids, and kids' medicines, and it stays in our medicine cabinet. I felt a sense of relief after finishing the unpacking and putting everything back in its place. When things linger around in the house, I just don't feel good. Changing the bedsheet instantly makes the room look refreshed and clean. Ganesh Chaturthi and Hartalika Teej are just around the corner and I've been busy preparing for them. To kick things off, we planned a visit to the local market for some shopping. My main focus was on buying decorations for our mandir, but I could not resist exploring an artificial jewelry shop. As Teej is approaching, I picked up some beautiful bangles and jewelry. Despite being an avid online shopper, strolling through the local market was a refreshing change. Here is a glimpse of what I bought. A chonky for a Ganesh idol, small garlands for the idols, kundan rangolis, and a jewelry set and bangles for Tej. The next day, I embarked on a mission to clean and decorate for Ganesh Chaturthi. While I did not deep clean the temple, saving that for Diwali, I took out the idols and cleaned them with the clean makeup brush and damp cloth, following the advice of the shopkeeper due to their antique nature. Other brass and copper items such as diyas and thalis regained their shine thanks to a special spray designed for cleaning brass, copper and silver items. After cleaning, I began decorating the mandir. After decorating, I created a simple rangoli with using artificial flower garlands and made swastik on it with white flowers. It's looking pretty nice. Wow, it looks beautiful. With the decoration and rangoli done, it was time to prepare churma laddus for bhog. They are straightforward to make, requiring only wheat flour, ghee and jaggery. I followed Chef Sanjyot's recipe from Your Food Lab YouTube channel. If you're interested in making these laddus for Ganesh Chaturthi, you can find the link to the video in the description box. The laddus turned out delicious. As the festival season kicks off, it's a time for enjoying moments with family, making delectable recipes, and meeting friends and family. Celebrating festivals is essential because they bring us closer, remind us to be thankful, and fill us with happiness for life's blessing. Please stay tuned for more videos on festival preparations, cleaning, and organization. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi and Hartalika Teej. Bye bye.